guys for the late video. I've just been super swamped with work and everything else that's been going on. And we kind of went on a little trip, as you guys will see in previous videos. It was a little bit of a challenge shooting this video, but we got it done. Hopefully you guys enjoy. This video is going to be in memory of Ray Rice. May he rest in peace. Enjoy the video. Hey, welcome back to another unboxing. So, Lauren's not going to be able to join us today, neither is Danny. But you guys finally get to meet Ed, one of our main guys at the shop. Some of you guys already know him. Plenty of you guys deal with him up at the shop all the time. But this is his first video. So,
how you doing, everybody?
Let's crack open the PVC package.
Yeah, it's been sitting here for a while.
I just got off work.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see if they messed up in here.
Alright, Ed. I'm going to let you grab a couple out and you show them what we got. 19 books.
First appearance of Blue Beetle, sketch cover. Nice. What is that, a 9.4?
Yep, this one is actually part of my personal.
Oh yeah, I like this one. First appearance of, what's that, Rose?
Watch the number one.
Manhattan, Spectre, and Night Owl. Death of the Comedian. 7.5, number 1. Yeah. Very nice.
Actually, a lot of these are from my personal.
I like that.
So, we also got a Sebastian, Walt Disney Sebastian 8.0. This is actually for Laura.
I think I remember you sent that in.
Pretty cool, yeah. And then we also have, this is part of my personal collection as well, Edge of the Spider-Verse, Gwen Stacy, first appearance of the new Spider-Woman, Spider-Gwen, 8.0.
We got Origin, first appearance of Metallo, new Metallo. Man of Steel.
Metallo.
Yeah, new Metallo. 2 copies, 9.4 and a 7.0. You had other copies of that too, didn't you?
Yeah, I was trying to get the best one. This is my partner Jace. It's 30 Days a Night. First print, 9.0. This is for the store. It's Albedo's number 3, 6.0.
Oh, now you come out.
Been inside all day.
Yeah. She's like, don't let the other one out, she said.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, Albedo.
Cool. Director.
Oh, sweet. Umbrella Academy. First appearance of the Umbrella Academy. Ooh, this is nice. Kinda got a back cover to that too, a little bit. What's that, Zero Killer?
Yep.
I heard today was free comic book day.
I didn't see nothing on it.
Yeah. I got another first appearance of Metallo, 9.4. Cool. I was reading Facebook and it said something about today was free comic book day.
1986, Man of Steel number 1. As you guys can tell, a lot of this is my personal. I was trying to hit the best Superman grades. These will be up on our eBay. Some of them.
It's probably the same day as normal, right? May 15th or something?
This is going to be up at the stores. His first appearance of Hellboy, 9.0.
Is that the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, first solo comic appearance. Whoa. Yeah.
Now, a little backstory about this one. So, a good partner, a good buddy of mine, Ray Rice, unfortunately he passed away due to COVID, but he pressed this, and he did a fantastic job. So, this video is going out to him.
Nice.
He did a very good job with that.
Yeah. Sweet book.
So we have Amazing Spider-Man number 4, first appearance of Silk. 9.8.
Another Albedo number 3.
No. Albedo number 3, 7.0.
Turned out by Sergio Usagi Jimbo. Awesome. Is that an 9.0? How often do you get like a 9.9?
Very rare, actually. So we have another Watchmen 8.0. First print number 1.
And another Watchmen 7.5.
And another Watchmen 8.0. So that completes the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.
Thank you for watching.
And
Please like and share.
and subscribe to the video. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Peace. Have a good day.